sakes, I want my diamond back.
We're working on it. Now let's go have a little fun.
Harley Quinn.
Woo! Hiya, Romy.
Do you know why you're here?
When it comes to me and Roman Sionis, there are a lot of possible answers to this question.
Breaking his driver's legs. There's that time I called it an having a vagina in the first place. Versus this Bernie because I think it's a life part of it. Called him Romeo and Jack stuck in a house. Keith Richards' boyfriend. Like I'm doing right now.
You're here.
Oh God, stop.
Because-
You're gonna do that thing where you open up a weird-ass case of torture devices while inexplicably detailing your master plan and how I don't fit into it.
I'm building a better...
Seriously, you don't have to, really. You're building a criminal empire because Daddy kicked you out of Janus Corp, and you think this is a big fuck you, but in actuality, it's a very misguided attempt to win back his respect. I get it. You're really not as complicated as you think.
And you're really not as clever as you think, because now I'm gonna slice you.
Jesus Christmas. Now you're gonna say that you want to kill me to set an example. Christ, you're boring.
I want to kill you.
Shit.
Because without the Joker around, I can. For all your noise and bluster, you're just a silly little girl with no one around to protect her.
Whoa, wait.
What?
Don't kill me.
All right.
No, seriously. Romy. Come on, there's gonna be something we can figure out. Hey. Wait, you lost something, right? You lost something. I heard you say it. A diamond. Yeah. I can help you find it. Seriously. Look in my pocket. Other pocket. I'm starting up my own business. See what it says? Second from the bottom. I know the East End better than anybody. You want this diamond back? I'm your gal. Mr. J once lost a rare photograph of a nude Eleanor Roosevelt, and I found it in a bird's nest in Robinson Park. If you let me go, just for now, I'll get you that rock back. What have you got to lose? If you boys find it first, swear to God, you can kill me later. Pinky swear. Cross my heart, hope to fart.
Oh, you're so tiresome!
If you want my mercy, shove that hole in the middle of your face and listen. You're gonna get me my diamond, my diamond, my diamond.
A kiss on the hand may be quite continental. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. A kiss may be grand, but it won't pay the rental on your humble flat or help you at the autumn rack. I got class, strumming out, spray on this. Big bills, don't care for get wild,
I'll give you till midnight. And then I'm gonna peel off that pretty face and pickle it. Okay?
Call me old-fashioned, but I always thought the guy was meant to get the girl a diamond.
Won't let you down, Romy. I promise.
Let's make it $500,000. It's more fun if she's got competition. Send it to every mercenary in Gotham.